When wiring a spa or hot tub with a 50 amp service, several key electrical code requirements must be followed to ensure safety and compliance, primarily based on the National Electrical Code. Firstly, regarding wiring size for conductors, a minimum of 6 AWG copper wire is typically required. Secondly, the equipment grounding conductor, or EC, must be at least 8 AWG copper, but local codes may require a larger size. Thirdly, when it comes to conduit, Schedule 40 polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, or metal conduit is suitable, with a minimum trade size of 1 inch. The conduit must extend at least 6 inches beyond the exterior surface of the building wall. Fourthly, for the circuit breaker, a 50 amp double pole circuit breaker is necessary, and arc fault circuit interrupter, or SI, protection is often recommended. This breaker should be located in a weatherproof enclosure or panel. Fifthly, a disconnecting means is required, specifically a listed spa or hot tub disconnects which with a rating of not less than 60 amps. This disconnect must be within sight of the spa or hot tub and readily accessible. Sixthly, regarding the receptacle, if one is used, it should be a locking type, non-grounding, 50 amp, 120/240 volt receptacle equipped with a ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI. This receptacle must be installed in a weatherproof enclosure or box. In addition to these specific components, several other requirements must be met. 1. All metal components of the spa or hot tub, including the conduit, piping, and equipment, must be bonded to the EGC. 2. A ground rod or other approved grounding electrode must be installed near the spa or hot tub. 3. If an underground feeder is used, the cable must be buried at least 18 inches below grade. 4. The disconnect switch must be located within 5 feet of the spa or hot tub's edge. 5. Under certain conditions, up to 6 feet of 6 AWG wire may be exposed between the spa or hot tub and the conduit. 6. The circuit must be sized to handle the total load of the spa or hot tub, including heaters, pumps, and other equipment. Finally, it is essential to obtain the necessary permits and ensure that all electrical work is inspected by a qualified electrician as required by a local code. These measures ensure a safe and compliant electrical installation for your spa or hot tub.